Hey kids, it's me, Sonic Skeleton. Today, I'm actually outside right now. Is this my first outside video? Actually, no, I made outside Minecraft videos. So, I want to show you something really cool that my mom showed me today. Well, just now. There's bird eggs. Look at that. That's so cool. Where's the mom bird? Okay, they're probably getting out because it's food for the. Well, actually no, they're still in eggs. So guys, the day when these hatch, I'll make another video. Of this. Oh my god, that's so cool. I don't want to shake it, so. Okay. Guys, that's actually amazing. And also, guys, there was a lot of hornets in here. I don't know where the hornets are now, but anyways. Yes. Well, guys, I'm gonna do a house tour, I guess. So, here's my fish. Kylo Ren, Ray, and Frisk. Got the Frisk idea from Undertale. Here's the living room. Here's the bathroom. And now, here's my mom and dad's room. You'll probably already know this room. So I record all the time in that room. And then here's my room. Okay, me and Tails the Skeleton love Monster Jam. Well, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here because the video is about to end. So, like, subscribe, send me all notifications for this channel, and peace out.